Select rock again and we won! Hey there, welcome to PyProjectMate. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to code for stone paper scissors game using Python. First, let's see the flowchart. In the beginning, set a max score, that is the score required by any player to win the game. Next, initialize user score and computer score to 0. Start a loop which will run till either of the players have won the game. Inside the loop, take a user input. If user input is not valid, keep on asking for input till user provides a valid input. Next, compare the user choice with randomly generated computer choice and update the scores till either one achieves the maximum score. Once maximum score is achieved by any of the two players, loop will break and code will end. Now, let's move to the coding section. Firstly, we have imported random package which will be used to randomly select among stone, paper, scissors. Next, we have printed the rules of the game. In line 9, we have defined a variable names that stores a list. The list contains rock at index position 0 followed by paper at index position 1 and scissor at index position 2. User score and computer score will hold scores of user and computer respectively. Both have been currently initialized to 0. Max score variable asks for maximum score from the user. Either of user or computer has to attain the max score for the game to end. Next, we have an infinite while loop at line 14. This loop will break once max score is achieved by any of the players. Then, user is asked to enter their choice. From line 17 to 25, user is being asked to enter the user input among 1, 2 or 3. If user enters anything apart from that, exception will be raised and user will be asked to enter a valid input. Once user enters the correct input, loop will break. Next, the choice name variable holds the name of the choice selected by the user. We have passed choice -1 inside the names list as indexing in Python starts from 0 and choices start from 1. Further, the user selected choice is printed. Comp choice variable is assigned a random number among 1, 2 and 3 using randint function from random package. In next couple of lines, we are constantly reassigning new values to comp choice till the time comp choice is no longer same as user choice. This will eliminate the case of a draw. Hence, there will be a winner in every play. Then, we have assigned name to computer choice and printed it. Next, we are having conditional statements to select a winning choice. So, you can see that if a user selects 1, that is rock, and computer selects 3, that is scissor, or vice versa, then we print that rock wins. Similarly, in elif block, paper wins over rock, and finally in else block, scissor wins over paper. Now, if the result is same as the user selected input, then user score get incremented by 1. Otherwise, computer score get incremented. Next, we are printing the updated scorecard after every score updation. Finally, we are checking if either of user or computer has attained the max score and print congratulations you won in case user wins. Otherwise, we print better luck next time, computer won. In both cases, we break the loop and print thanks for playing. Now, let's have a look towards the output. Here, we are being asked to enter maximum score. Let's enter 3. Now, we have to enter our choice. 1 for rock, 2 for paper and 3 for scissor. So, I will go with rock, that is 1, and we won the first round and got 1 point. We can see here that user selected rock, computer selected scissor, rock versus scissor, and rock wins. So user gets 1 point and computer is still on 0. Next, I will select scissor. Now we can see that computer selected paper and we won once again. The score is 2 versus 0 and we are winning. Let's select paper now. This time computer selected scissor and cut our hat-trick chance. So score is 2-1. Now let's select rock again and we won. So this time computer selected scissor and we know rock versus scissor, rock wins. So we achieved the maximum score that was set to 3 by us in the beginning. Hence, congratulations, you won got printed. In the end, it is thanking us for playing and I would like to thank you for watching it. If you found this helpful, then please share it with your friends as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you and goodbye.